I'd like to welcome everyone to our monthly summary. Now, we had another great trading month of March. We're going to go over a few of those trades that we did have posted that hopefully everyone took advantage of. We're going to go ahead and start with our dollar Swissy chart. And we have this set to a daily time frame. And when we talked about this chart, we can see that we have all this really nice support here. This is what we highlighted. This one was posted around here, around 311. And we talked about if the market broke through that support level, it was probably going to keep going at least to that 382. We like the 382 because look at all this previous support right here, a little bit of resistance as well. So we're seeing that roll reversal. And we did have a little bit of room to go on our stochastics. It was a little bit iffy coming to that oversold section, coming down to that 20 line here. But we did have a little bit of room, like I had said. Sometimes what it'll do is it'll dip below that before turning back up. It may even kind of just ride through that area a little bit. But as you can see, we have a beautiful breakthrough here, maybe shorting right below that 10652 area, going down at least to this 382. Look at that, hit it nearly perfectly, went past it just a little bit. So about 129 pips on that breakout. So nice opportunity there. Let's go ahead and take a look at our dollar yen, because this is the other currency pair that we've been talking about for quite a while, that we have been highlighting. Let's take this to a weekly chart so we can really get a good sense of the big picture. Now, for quite a while, we've been talking about how dollar yen has been at this area here, getting ready to break through that trend line. Now, as you can see here, it did finally break. So breaking through that trend line about at 91 here, that was about the break area. Coming to about this area right here, which as we were kind of watching this currency pair, we did see that we had a potential inverted head and shoulders forming. So we could have set our limit here about this area because we do have some nice resistance here. If we go back in time, we can see it was support here as well. A little bit of resistance here and some support right back here. Now, if you took this trade just on the breakout coming to about this area right here, we're talking about 279, about 280 pips. So that right neckline was right at 93.79. And then we talked about, as we saw the inverted head and shoulders form, we went ahead and posted that one on 331. And as you can see here, the market did break out above that right neckline. And let's take this down a little bit so you can really see that. Here we go. It did break out here about 93.78, and it ran about 100 pips. So 100 pips, not too bad. So a nice little breakout there of that right neckline area. Now, a total of those trades, just if you took those three trades there, that would have been a total of, give or take, about 500 pips per lot for the month. Not bad again. So we had another great trading month. Now, you can see on dollar yen, we've had a real drop. Now, we talked about the market possibly going up to this 382 if you were going to hold this long term. Now, if you're going to hold any trade long term, you want to go ahead and give yourself a pretty good stop. You want to be prepared for movements like this, movements like the market coming down like it is, and it's really dropping. What could potentially happen for any of you who did miss out, or maybe you already went in, you took your profit? What could happen is the market could come all the way back down to that trend line. Not uncommon for the market to do this, because those trend lines, remember, those are acting as areas of support and resistance. So it was a previous resistance area all this time. Now what could happen is it could turn into a support area. So maybe it comes down along this trend line before it does turn around. Maybe it just comes down to maybe some previous resistance here, which would be previous resistance back here, previous support as well. We're going to have to watch this currency pair, and we'll just kind of watch and see here, see what it does. On a daily chart, you can see the stochastics is overbought. It's over 80. It's separated, and it is turned down. So this is a currency pair that we're still not done with. We're far from done on dollar yen. So we're going going to keep watching this for some more possible trading opportunities. But remember, if you got in on just those 3 trades that we had posted throughout the month of March, you're going to see that 500 pips per lot is not too bad. So hopefully everyone took advantage of that, and hopefully we'll have another great trading month. So happy trading to all for the month of April. Have a great day, everyone.